Hello. Welcome to Basic English Conversation Practice. In this video, you will listen to everyday English conversations in different places and situations. Additionally, you will learn 100 new English words to enhance your vocabulary, as well as improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's get started.
Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Anna. How are you?
I'm a little tired. I woke up early today.
Oh no. Did you go to bed late?
Yes, I was cleaning my room and doing the dishes. Then I watched a movie and went to bed late.
What movie?
A comedy. It was really funny.
Nice. I usually watch movies at night too. But today I woke up early because I have a lot to do.
Me too. First, I need to buy some things at the store, then go to the cafe. Want to come with me?
Sure. Let's go. Wow, this store is huge.
Yes, I come here a lot. They have good discounts.
I need a new t-shirt. Do you think this one is nice?
Yes, but it looks expensive. How much is it?
Let me check the price. Whoa! $50.
That's expensive. Maybe there's a cheaper one.
Good idea. Do you know where I can find a discount section?
Let's ask the worker.
Hi. Can I help you?
Yes. Do you have this in a different size?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Also, is there a discount on this?
Yes, you get 20% off.
Nice. Do you want to pay with cash or credit card?
Credit card. I don't have cash today.
Okay. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let's order food.
Hello? Here's the menu. What would you like to order?
I'd like a sandwich and a coffee, please.
Can I have a salad and a juice?
Sure. Do you want water too?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
$15 total.
I'll pay with my credit card.
Great. Here's your receipt. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
This food is delicious.
Yes, I love their coffee. It's sweet but not too sweet. Hey, let's go to the park after this.
Good idea. But how do we get there?
We can take the subway or walk.
Let's walk. It's not far.
Okay, but I don't know the way. Let's ask someone.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, how do we get to the park?
Go straight, then turn left. The park is near the train station.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Wow, this park is beautiful.
Yeah, let's sit on that bench.
Good idea. By the way, how was your job interview yesterday?
It went well. I was a little nervous, but the interviewer was nice.
That's great. Do you think you got the job?
I don't know yet, but I hope so.
I'm sure you will. You are smart and hardworking.
Thanks, Anna. I appreciate it.
No problem. By the way, let's take some photos.
Yes, the sunset looks amazing.
This was such a fun day.
Yeah, we should do this again.
For sure. What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm free. Let's hang out again.
Sounds great. See you later.
See you. Take care.